Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, in the last video, we learned about Cartesian system. So friends, today let me start our examples. So example number 1, see figure 3.11 and complete the following statements. So we have to see figure 3.11 which is given backside. So let me see. The abscissa and ordinate of point B are blank and blank respectively. So abscissa and ordinate we have to see from the backside Cartesian map, and the coordinates of B are blank and blank. Okay, so let me see here point B. So B is over here. So on B abscissa is 4 and ordinate is 3. So we can say that it is 4 3. Okay. Abscissa 4, ordinate 3. So points are 4 3. The x ordinate and y ordinate at the point M, x coordinate and y coordinate. So at point M, x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is 4. -3 and 4. Okay friends. So remaining 2 you can do it by yourself. Now friend, example number 2. So in example number 2, write the coordinate of the points marked on the axis. So on the given graph, given Cartesian system, we have to point the mark first. At point A, at the distance plus 4 unit from the y-axis. From y-axis plus 4 unit and distance 0 from x-axis. So therefore, x coordinate of A is equal to 4 and the y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 4. So x coordinate is 4 over here and y is 0. Means on y, on 0 is there. So it is A is over here. Okay friends, now 4 and 0. The coordinate of B are 0, 3, y. Coordinate of B is 0 and 3 because 0. Abscissa is 0 because on x-axis it is on 0 and on y-axis it is on 3. So we can say that its coordinates are 0 and 3. The coordinates of C are -5 and 0. Why? On the C, it is on x-axis, its abscissa is -5 and on y-axis it is on 0. So we can say that it is -5 and 0. The coordinates of D are 0 and -4. So same things. Okay friends. The coordinate of E is over here 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1 it is 2 by 3. On x-axis it is 2 by 3 and y-axis it is 0. So we can write down 2 by 3 0. Its coordinates are. So friend, we can see this Cartesian system. So here that already we learned on the board in our previous video. So on this first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So on first quadrant, x-axis is always positive and y-axis is also positive. On this quadrant, x means abscissa is always minus and ordinate is always plus. On third, both are minus, abscissa and ordinate both are minus. And in fourth quadrant, abscissa is plus and ordinate is minus always. Now friends, our next exercise is coming. So exercise number 3.2. So exercise 3.2, question number 1. Write the answers of the following questions. What are the names of the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position for any point in the Cartesian plane? So on the Cartesian plane, we are drawing the two axes. These names are x-axis. Horizontal axis is x-axis and the vertical axis is y-axis. So answer is x-axis and y-axis. Okay friends. Now second number question. What is the name of the each part of the plane formed by the two lines? So whenever we are drawing the Cartesian plane, so there are four planes are there which are made up of two lines. These all are called the quadrants. So its answer is quadrants. Now 3 number, write the name of the point where there's two lines intersect. Whenever the two lines are intersect at the point O, we can say it is a origin. Okay, it is the origin. So now friends, let me see question number 2. See the figure 3.14 and write the following. From the figure, we have to give the answers of the following questions. So let me start. Question number 1, the coordinates of B. Coordinates of B. So friend, in this figure, we have to find out the coordinates of B. So coordinates of B. So is B on abscissa is -5 and ordinate is 2. So -5, 2. So here we have to write -5, 2. Coordinates of C. Coordinates of C. Coordinates of C over here on x-axis, abscissa is 5 and ordinate is -5. So C is 5 minus 5. C's coordinates is the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. So which point is on -3, -5? So let me see, -3, -5, both are minus, so it is in third quadrant. -3, -5, so it's point E. E, -3 and -5. So here we have to write down point E. The points identified by the coordinates 2 and -4. +2 and -4. +2 is over here and -4 is downside over here. So it is a G. The abscissa of point D. D is over here and abscissa is 6. The ordinate of point H. H is over here. Its ordinate. So its ordinate is -3. The coordinate of point L. L के coordinates here. So L. उसका x axis क्या होगा? X axis is over. तो इस abscissa is 0. And ordinate is 5. So 0, 5. The coordinates of point M. Point M is here. So its abscissa is -3 and ordinate is 0. So friends, here we finished our exercise 3.2. So here we stopped our video. In next video, we will see next theory and next explanation. So friends, finish this exercise in your textbook only. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.